Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to record partial screen or part of a screen using ScreenCaptureKit in Flutter macOS application. So I have already made quite a few videos for ScreenCaptureKit in Flutter macOS, but I haven't made a video where we only capture part of a screen. So firstly I will show you the code and then I will show you the output. Otherwise things will not make sense to you because we can't directly run our application using Flutter run or from Xcode. It won't really work for Flutter macOS. So first I will show you guys the code. So here is our Flutter application. Okay, and I have just refactored the homepage widget, so it is a stateful widget. Here I have created a method channel. I have two buttons, start and stop. Okay, once you click on the start button, we invoke a method on the native side for start. Similarly for stop, we invoke a method for on the native side called stop. And here, as you can see, I have defined these two buttons. Okay, that's it on the Flutter side. Now we will have to use the same identifiers of screen capture platform, the start and stop, on native macOS side as well. So what you will have to do, first open the XE workspace of macOS inside Xcode. I have already done that. And first you will have to update the minimum deployment target of macOS to 13.0 over here as well as over here. Then again go over here, go to sign in and capabilities, and here you will have to check this audio input if you want to record audio. And for downloads folder you will have to check this read/write. Also for app sandbox release, check this audio input as well as this read/write inside downloads folder. Then you will have to go to the main Flutter window. Now to be honest with you, even I don't understand the code fully. I have copy pasted it from the documentation, so I'll try to explain it as much as I can. Here we are taking ScreenCaptureKit, AVF audio and AVF foundation. Here we are like using these two delegates. Here we are setting screen type, audio quality as video format. Now I don't know all about this. I am not really sure. Then this code is present by default. So after this you have to write ours. So here I am creating our method channel. So once the start method is called, we start capturing the user's screen. But in case if there is any error, that means the user hasn't given us the permission. So here we are launching the settings app so that the user can give us the permission. But if we have the permission already, then we just start a recording. Okay, and for once the user clicks on stop, we stop recording. So this is the code for starting the recording. Now again, I'm not really good at this. I'll just simply scroll through this. Here is the important part. So if you see over here, I have hard coded this what part of the screen I want to record, but maybe in your case you might give a window before you click on the start button so that user can drag and drop what part of the screen he wants to record. Then here you can see what this value means is x is 0, y is 0, width is 200, height is 200. That means it will record the upper left hand side of the screen. Okay, so 200 by 200, so something over here it will only record. It will ignore rest of the part. Also once the video is recorded, I have set the background color of the video to white. So if you want, you can change the color. Again, rest I'm not really sure all about this. We just copy pasted it. This is for stopping our recording. This is for updating our audio settings. There are different form of audio settings, but I guess for me these are fine. And here we initialize our video. So again, I'll just simply scroll through this. Here if you see, we are getting hold of our downloads directory. So once the recording is saved, is done, we save it to our downloads directory. Again, I'll just simply scroll through this. This is for closing our video. Here we override this did output sample buffer, and here we call did stop with error. Then there are few extensions as well. Okay, again I'm not really sure about this. So yeah, that's it. Now first I will show you what will happen if you try to run via Flutter run command or directly from Xcode. So I will just run from Xcode. If you want, you can use the Flutter run command as well. So the problem is, so as soon as our app is loaded, so here you can see once our app is loaded, if I click on the start button, okay, now it is showing. Typically what happens is that it doesn't show this open system settings. I don't know why it is showing now, because during my testing it wasn't showing for me. but I guess it's fine. Just ignore that. Suppose it is not showing this open system settings button, I'll just remove my app over from this as well. Okay, maybe I didn't remove my app and that's why it is showing, I guess. Let me try it one more time. So what I'll do is that I'll click on stop. Okay, I'll just close this. I'll quickly run my application again via Xcode. Again, you can run it via Flutter run. Like there was this corner case which wasn't really working for me. If I click on start again, okay, so here you can see, I think this is okay. I'll just click on deny. Okay, I'll click on start again. Okay, wait, just sorry about this. I am like, actually this wasn't supposed to work, but I guess it's working, then it's fine. But I will show you another way as well in case if it doesn't work for you. Typically what happens is that if I click on the start button, we don't get this, okay, this screen recording, and we also don't get our app over here. Now this is something related to Flutter. I don't know how it got resolved, because yesterday when I was trying to run it from Xcode, it wasn't working for me. If it works for you, well and good. If not, there is another way as well. I will click on deny. I will again remove my app from over here. What you can typically do is go to product and just click on build. Okay, once you do build or do command B, whatever you feel like, then here inside products you will see your app been created. You can just open your app in Finder, show in Finder, okay, and then you can just double click on this app. So here once you click on this app, then it will show you the system settings dialog properly. Okay, if you're directly running from Xcode, if it shows you the system settings with your app in it, then well and good. If not, you can try this option. There is another option as well, like for archiving, you can just do product archive. It will take little bit of time, so I'll just quickly show that to you as well, in case if this products option also doesn't work for you. So again, the archiving might take little bit of time, and if I click on distribute app, I think we need to pay $99 to Apple. I haven't paid it, even though I have selected proper account in sign in and capabilities. If I select the debugging option, click on distribute, here you can see it gives me error. That's why I didn't show you guys this option. That's why I'm using this products option over here. Anyways, not to confuse you everyone, so I will click on the start button. Here you can see I get this open system settings. I'll just click on it. Here it is showing my app. I will give the app the permission, because screen recording or system and screen recording is a sensitive permission, so user have to give the permission manually, and the user will have to click on quit and reopen. I don't know why it showed twice, but anyways, so here it will automatically reopen your app. You don't have to run it again manually or via Xcode. Now we have the permission, and I'll just click on the start button. Okay, and has it started recording? I'll click on start. Okay, I don't know why it is showing again and again. Something is going wrong. Okay, I'll just remove my app. I'll just click on start. I'll just give this quit and reopen later. I don't know why it was showing twice quit and reopen. I'll just click on start. Now it has started the recording. So at the very top you should see something like this. Okay, so this icon, this blue color icon, which tells you that it has started the recording, and here you can see that now it will start only recording my Xcode screen, because that is at the very top. If I go to some other windows like Firefox, suppose, then it will start recording this one. If I go to this particular screen, it will start recording this one. I will play some audio as well just to show it to you. I will stop talking and play this YouTube video.
Necessarily 100% development applications, but these are applications that...
Okay, so hopefully that works. Now I will again go back to my app. I'll click on stop button, and it has stopped the recording. Now I will go to the downloads folder over here, and here you can see the recording. So it has started recording our app. Okay, and here you can see this is our Xcode window. This is the YouTube one. I'll just
necessarily 100% development applications, but these are applications that...
Okay, so hopefully you were able to hear that YouTube video voice as well. So yeah, that's it, I guess. Thank you for watching. Bye.